Today we will look at the Drainvac pneumatic separator. This innovative separator complements our range of central vacuum systems, allowing you to separate and discharge objects automatically. Maintenance at this CNC machining facility involves lifting large amounts of metal shavings that result from the production process. They utilize a Drainvac Central Vacuum System to vacuum in and around the various stations. Here you can see pieces of metal being lifted by a Drainvac Central Vacuum System. This vacuum is part of our commercial range. Other systems in the Drainvac range are capable of lifting objects that are substantially larger and heavier than those shown here. In this facility, the Drainvac system is located in a corner above a storage bin. When the pneumatic separator has accumulated a substantial amount of material, it will automatically empty itself into the bin below. This allows the operator to vacuum as long as they need to, without interruption. While this customer is mainly vacuuming metal objects, Drainvac has a wide range of vacuum systems that can handle anything: dust, liquids, solids. The pneumatic separator is a particularly good idea when lifting particles and objects. Common use cases include lifting materials like sand, metal, plastic, glass. Once the operator has finished vacuuming, the system will automatically release what it is holding. Let's see that again. This ingeniously simple innovation from Drainvac improves efficiency and safety, saving time and money. Remove interruptions and let your staff focus on what really drives your business forward. On the right is a Drainvac Central Vacuum System. This provides the suction. On the left is a Drainvac pneumatic separator. As you have seen, this add-on allows you to separate and automatically discharge the substances vacuumed. Operation is easy. Throughout the facility, there are vacuum inlets like the ones shown here and here. All you have to do is plug in a hose and the vacuum system turns itself on automatically. In this facility, galvanized pipe has been used to connect all inlets to the Drainvac system. Having plugged in a hose, we are ready to suck. For more demanding scenarios, we would recommend the Drainvac Twister series of vacuums, or possibly the Drainvac BBB series with induction motors. All of these vacuum systems are compatible with the pneumatic separator. Drainvac systems can also be installed with a larger diameter of hose and pipe, allowing the lifting of larger objects. It does not matter how big your facility is or how many levels there are, Drainvac has a solution for you. For more than 30 years, we have been empowering people all over the world to lift dust, liquids, and solids efficiently. If you have need to lift a substantial amount of solids or particles, then you need a Drainvac Central Vacuum with a pneumatic separator.